Alright, I'm farting in your ear, lady.
Adopting a free pet, or
That's why I think of Webkins. One more fart for Webkins. Well, yeah, that's it, man. I'm farting.
Did I cause?
You're already insecure. Why post your face to a million people? Where did I get that? A cheetah! I react with nothing but a fart. Who won biggest fart of the year? I did. I hate myself. You guys saw, I laughed really hard at that. That deserves one fart in the microphone. Gotcha.
No. Oh my god.
I haven't farted into the microphone this video. Let it rip.
Dude, was that real?
William!
Sorry, Paige. I don't wanna fart. Sorry. Stop moving! I'm gonna fart. Ghost Simulator, more like. Oh. My microphone's gonna smell really bad now. Oh my god. Listen to this. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta fart. I have to do it in the microphone. I haven't done it in a while.
He did this.
Let's go back to. I love that one. Fortnite, more like fart night. I hate myself. I haven't farted in my microphone in a while. I had diarrhea 3 times today.